Production of CSF. CSF is primarily produced by the choroid plexus, a specialized structure located within the lateral, third, and fourth ventricles of the brain. The total CSF volume in adults is estimated to be 150 milliliters at any given time. However, the choroid plexus produces between 400 and 600 milliliters of CSF per day, meaning CSF is continuously produced and replaced multiple times daily. Now, the question arises, what exactly is the choroid plexus? The choroid plexus is a specialized structure found within the ventricles of the brain. It consists of fenestrated capillaries, allowing plasma components to pass through. Loose connective tissue, which provides structural support. A single layer of cuboidal epithelial cells, choroidal epithelium, forming a selective barrier, and actively secreting CSF. These epithelial cells are linked by tight junctions, ensuring that CSF composition remains distinct from plasma.